What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're working on a small accessory. I wouldn't necessarily call it a modification for my Jeep Wrangler, but anyway, we have a mod that's going to make the exterior look a little bit nicer in my opinion. This is something that comes factory on, I believe, the 2019s. I know it's standard on 2020s. Mine is a 2018, so this is going to be a really cool option to add to my Jeep Wrangler. And I got this box from Super E. It's the same company that I got my headlights from, so I'll have a link to their website down in the description below. Definitely check them out. But I have the box in the rear of my Wrangler here. So first up, we have my new gas cap. It's actually a lockable one too, and it's made of a pretty solid material. So we have the two keys inside, and this is just gonna make the exterior of my Jeep look a lot more updated. So I really like this mod. It hopefully shouldn't be all that hard to install. And then the second piece that I forgot to mention is this center console wrap here. It's gonna give me some more extra padding, which is nice, along with the 1941 down at the bottom. And there's also some pockets on the side, so I could place my phone there. I'll show you guys later. There's not a whole lot of storage up front, so I'm definitely going to be able to utilize these. So in order to remove the stock gas cap area, we do have to take out the driver's side taillight. It's actually really easy to do. There's this cover right here on the top, and it's easy for me to take out because mine's broken. So you might just have to use some flat heads to pop it out. And then I'm using the tool that came with my Jeep. This removes all the doors, or at least the hinges for the doors. So this one back here, this one bolt holding in the taillight takes that one size. So it's really neat how you don't have to go get another tool for this. And it is a pretty long bolt, so it'll take me a little bit of time here. And so with the stock bolt out, it's just plastic. You can see how long it is there. That is the only thing holding in this taillight. So I should be able to pop it out just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this just so it's not in the way. I have to pull on this red tab, I think, and then just pinch these and kind of wiggle this connection apart. All right, so with the taillight removed, that gives you a lot of access to get your hand on the back side. First up, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the gas cap cover there. And then just by looking at this, we're pretty sure that the filler is going to stay in that position. It looks like there's a rubber gasket around it. And so there are 3 tabs on the back side of the actual housing. And I think that is all we have to kind of mess with to pull this off the Jeep. Oh, there we go. So it's just like a stub. Oh, it's all the way down here. All right, so there's 2 of them. Hey, no, it's really not all that bad. But where's the third one? All right, there might be one more. Oh, I can't get my fingers up. There we go. All right, so that is actually disconnected. Hey, that's really not that hard. Now, if we look at the new one, we don't even have to transfer the gasket. It's already on here. Nice. So just to take a look at this again, it's actually, what did we think? What did we say it was? It's in?
Powder-coated aluminum.
Powder-coated aluminum. It's actually ow, as I smashed my thumb. It's actually really nice, and it has the lockable feature, which I can use. And so now, let's go ahead and, I think it's better just to line it up first.
Yeah, kind of just popped over it.
There's a, if you want to look at here, you can use this to help line yourself up too, because it's only going to go in, obviously, the one way. So that should be in. I don't think we have to worry about the gasket because it's kind of went on itself, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But we are in. So one thing that I am going ahead and doing is I'm just using a flathead to reverse this gasket and just push it in. I think that'll just give it a tighter seal, but also looks a little nicer too. Not that that's really important on the inside of your gas cap, but I think it's just gonna hold it a little bit better. And then the last piece of this is putting the gas cap back in the designated hole there. And now, look at that.
Nice.
It looks a lot better. I wasn't really a fan of the exposed gas cap, and I think this is a really nice upgrade you can do to any of your Wranglers that don't offer the lockable or even have a door, because as I said earlier, I'm pretty sure this is only offered on the 20s. I don't know if they did it on 19, but that is a really nice update. And then it's very, very simple to do. All we have to do is hook this back up just like this, and then put in that bolt, and we are finished up with the new gas cap. With the taillight now reassembled, we're going to go ahead and show you the locking feature So the truck kind of sits a lot because I have 2 vehicles, and so now I don't fill it up that often. I can just leave that locked and not worry about it. So that is a pretty cool upgrade, and I really like that. So definitely check out Super E if you want to get this product. And now it is time to put on this center armrest pad. I'm probably gonna hop in the back seat.
All right, I'll meet you
Because
now.
that's kind of what we did out to try to test this out the other day. And so one thing that I'm not sure about is I'm not sure if I'm gonna lose my upper storage area, which, let's face it, is pretty useless anyway. But this does have a cutout for the keyhole, so I can still lock the center armrest. And then we just have to figure out if this is my area to release the upper console or not.
So we can try putting around just the whole thing.
Yeah.
And then see if we can kind of manipulate it a little bit.
But I think this is really cool. While I'm trying to struggle with this, Bri, if you want to just show the center area here, you have 2 cup holders. There's a little spot for your phone, and that's kind of it. There is this tray up here where I do put some stuff, but it would be nice, especially for like the passenger. Like, you really don't have anywhere to put stuff in here.
And really, you have the little net in the doors, but when the doors are off, where do you put your phone?
Yeah.
Aside from, I mean, right there is good.
Oh, dang it.
But it's always nice to have extra.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I should open this like this. Maybe that'll help. It's just because I can't get my fingers around the bottom here.
Should you have done the bottom first?
Well, I tried and it popped off, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Now you see down here, I'm assuming it goes right there, right?
That looks good, yeah.
It can't go on this side.
Yeah.
Because of the way it is.
Can it go under this edge right here?
Right here? That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. I think it just has to kind of get broken in a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna lose that spot.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's see, so there's this. Yeah, it should work.
Sweet.
Now it's still gotta break it in a little bit. I think I'll just have to mess with it.
Yeah, stretch it out a few times.
I don't have my phone to put in here, but
I do.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna be pretty cool.
Look at that.
And this isn't the most comfortable center armrest, so a little bit of padding there.
Oh wow, yeah, it's a nice squish to it.
It's gonna be really nice and just make it a more comfortable ride. So that is a neat little surprise.
Looks good too. It matches the fabric on the seats.
Yeah.
I know we have some crazy shadows going on.
Yeah.
But
so I like that.
There's a good look.
So last up in today's video, something that I didn't do. Okay, there goes my phone.
There's your phone.
Yeah, something that I did not do when we painted the dash. A lot of you guys really like this, and I love the look of it. There was one thing that I need to do though, and just polish it a little bit, kind of get some of that orange peel away. It looks great in pictures and in videos, as you guys have seen. If you didn't see that video, check it out. But this is something that's been bothering me since I did it. So we're just gonna get a little bit of wax or scratch and swirl remover just to polish it a little bit.
From a close-up, you can see the orange peel right here. So the goal is to have it look much shinier.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
So just kind of start like this. Is that too thick?
No, you're gonna slowly swirl its way. Get a nice firm piece of cloth in your hand though.
Yeah.
So we'll get a good before and after. You guys already saw the orange peel on this left side. And then as he does this,
now
get a good look.
It would have been better to take this piece out and do it, but I'm just gonna do it like this because I'm not too concerned about the areas that you can't really see. It's mainly this huge airbag section.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the rest of it, like around these contours, very hard to see with the lines. All right, guys, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for polishing that up a little bit. I think it looks a little nicer. I could probably do a few more coats off of camera, but that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, installing the lockable gas cap. I think that's something that every JL or JK owner should put on their Jeep. Just makes it look a little bit nicer. And then I'm finding this to be very comfortable. I have my phone on this side. This is definitely gonna come in handy for especially 2 phones and having whatever else you need up front here. So definitely check out Super E. I'll have all their information down in the description below. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider smashing that subscribe button if you want to see more of our projects and our daily uploads. We'll see you guys in the next video.